My misogynistic sister bullies pregnant women and brags about it even though she's a nurse. Now she's pissed that I complained to the hospital and got her fired, but she deserved it. My sister and I have never really been close because she has a tendency to judge people for no reason, and this was why we got into a huge argument the other day. She works as a nurse and has for a few years now because nurse was her calling. Honestly, she's like a popular girl in high school who went on to become a nurse. I noticed that she's been making horrible remarks about her female patients. She's not just complaining about the job or venting about how stressful it is, she's straight up just talking crap. She talked about one of her patients, which she referred to as White Whale. My sister said that White Whale went into labor and brought her husband with her. If that wasn't enough, she went on a tangent about how hot the woman's husband was, and she could not understand how that whale was able to pull someone like him. She laughed when recalling the sound she made when pushing out her child, and said that she didn't look like the type of woman to be strong enough to go the natural route. She has also talked about how another mom-to-be defecated on the table, and she remarked that she wouldn't be surprised if her husband divorced her after seeing something so nasty. I could believe she was saying all of this because she's been a bully her whole life, and has criticized every part of me when growing up. She's literally the reason I developed a severe eating disorder because she would never stop commenting on how big I was getting, and I couldn't eat in front of her without being called a pig. Then, there was her teenage patient who just couldn't keep her legs closed. My sister claimed that she gave her some sound advice, and I'm honestly scared to know what she had said to this young girl. She laughed about giving her a nurse dose of pain meds to get her to shut up, and refused to give her a blanket, since if she wants to act like an adult, then she deserves to be treated like one. The fight between her and I happened a few days ago, due to her talking about a mother who delivered a premature baby. She admitted that she told this mother that she should have done a better job if she didn't want to have a baby born at 29 weeks. I blew up at my sister and asked her how she could be so heartless. My sister told me that she should have the right to vent about stupid mothers who don't know how to do the thing their body is designed for. She also said that I don't work in healthcare, so I have no right to remark on how she handles stress at work. I told her that if her way of handling stress is to be a misogynist, then she needs to find a different career. She didn't like that answer at all and told all of our parents after I left her house. They've pretty much been divided on the issue, with some saying they think that I was in the right to call my sister out, and others saying that my sister shouldn't have to kiss up to her patients in order to do her job efficiently. I don't get how she would even be in the right, since the things she says can get her fired if HR is involved.